Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about how it is important to clean your fridge once in a while, and mine has been dirty in fact for quite a long time. So today we're doing a major deep cleaning, removing all the shelves and baskets, etc., and going through all of your food. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and leave your comments to let me know what you think about the video. Tip number one, do this right before you go grocery shopping. That way you have less produce and fruits and vegetables on your counter while you're cleaning the fridge, and that way you guarantee nothing will spoil or go bad.
Start by taking everything from the top shelves, and it is a perfect time to go over your produce to see if there is anything expired and needs to be thrown out. To remove the shelf, simply lift it up a bit and pull it out. To clean the inside of the fridge, I use my own solution, which is part water and vinegar and a few drops of dishwashing soap. Once everything is out, simply wash it with soap and water. Put everything back the same way it was taken out. From the top, slide it down. To remove the basket, simply lift it up a little and pull it out. Did you know that the bottom shelf and its glass comes out in two separate pieces? Be careful with that when you take it out. When everything is nice and clean, you can start putting everything back. Keep in mind that the top shelf is the warmest, and as you go down the fridge, it gets colder and colder. So the fastest spoiling items should be at the bottom shelf. I usually put a fresh pack of baking soda to keep the fridge smelling fresh. Let's move on to our door. Everything comes out again the same way, and all the shelves as well to be washed. The bottom shelf is the trickiest to remove. You just have to pull it up and it should come off. Don't forget to wash all the sides of the door and especially the bottom, because some items can leak and leave marks at the very bottom. Moving on to the freezer, the main thing you have to clean is the door and all the cracks, and also at the very bottom of the freezer. So we just wipe it with a wet cloth. You can simply drop it onto the floor and then vacuum it later. Don't forget to wipe all the sides. You can just vacuum any crumbs that fell on the floor from cleaning the freezer.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.